Hey guys, what's up? I'm Saiasmi Gupta and I'm 9 years old and the co-founder of tennisforekids.com. And if you like this video, don't forget to smash the like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. So today's topic is Python, and today we are gonna complete our chapter Python. So let's get started. Oh yeah, I forgot this. Oh. Hmm. Yes, it's much better right now. Yeah, I'll do it right here. Now, over here it's W3 schools and then Python tuples. Um, I think so. We are done loop tuples, right? So, yeah. So, we are done loop tuples. Now, we'll do join tuples. Today, we'll do join tuples, tuple methods, and tuple exercises. Join tuples. Join two tuples. To join two or more tuples, you can use the plus operator. Join two tuples. If you want, just mean like you make one tuple here, then another tuple, then you say tuple one. I mean, you give tuple. You make another variable. Tuple 3 is equals to tuple 1 plus tuple 2. So the value of tuple 3 will be A, B, C, 1, 2, 3. See? And then it will print it. Multiply tuples. If you want to multiply the content of a tuple a given number of times, you can use the multiply operator. So what does this mean is you want, like, if you want, here is a fruits tuple. You have given its value apple, banana, cherry. Now we have done my tuple is equals to fruits multiplied by 2, and then you want to print it. So it's saying multiply by 2, that like mm, get it 2 times, print it 2 times. If over here we had given over multiply by 3, so it would have come apple, banana, cherry 1, then apple, banana, cherry 2, then apple, banana, cherry 3. It would print apple, banana, cherry, apple, banana, cherry, apple, banana, cherry. See, I'll just see apple, banana, cherry, apple, banana, cherry, apple, banana, cherry. Okay. Oh wow, it's finished also. Okay. Python tuple methods. Tuple methods. Python has two built-in methods that you can use on tuples. First method is the count method. Oh wow, this is a very good method, let me tell you. So what does this method do is basically, if you have made a tuple here and you're saying x is equal to this tuple dot count 5. So it will see that in this tuple, like in this tuple, how many times does this number comes? Let's see. 1 over here and then 2. So over here it got 2. Okay. Now if we go to the, okay, what is this? Search this tuple for the specified as for the specified value and returns the position of where it was found. Okay. So index 8 is like, over here you see it will not count how many times this number is come. Like over here it will see at what index does 8 come. Like see, this is 0 index, this is 1 index, this is 2 index, this is 3 index. Okay, we found the first 8 on the third index. So we will write it third, 3, 3, 3, 3. Because remember, we start with a 0. Okay, now tuple exercises. Yay! Are you ready for the test? I am. Are you? I can't hear it. Very nice. Okay, let's get started. What is this? Use the correct syntax to print the first item in the fruits tuple. If we want to print this item in the if we want to print this item, we will say print fruits, and then we'll give a square brackets and then give 0. Oh, sorry. Yeah. Submit answer. Correct. Next exercise. Use the correct syntax to print the number of items in the fruit tuple. If we want that how many what yes, what is this? Use the correct syntax to print the number of items in the fruits tuple. So if we want to see that how many items are there, then you'll give print length over here fruits. Okay, submit answer. Yay, correct. Yeah, this is the last one, I think so. No, this is the second last one. Exercise. Use negative indexing to print the last item in the tuple. We want to print the last item in the tuple, which is cherry. So we'll give a fruits, and then we'll give it's saying to use negative indexing, so -1, right? So it will get cherry. Okay, last exercise. Let's do it, baby. Use a range of indexes to print the third, fourth, and fifth item. Okay, we want to print the third and the fourth and the fifth item. So the third item comes on the index 2, right? Then the fifth item comes on the index. Let's check. Which is the fifth item? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? This is the fifth item. Am I not correct? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes, and why is this stuck over here? Yes, and over here, so we want to print third, fourth, and fifth. So over here we have given 2. Now we'll give 6 over here, because remember, the because 5 we give 5, it will not be included. Click here to try again. Let me check. Oh, okay. We need to give 5 over here only, because see, after 2, 2, 3, and 4, I by mistakenly gave 6 and got 4 items instead of 3. I was just joking. I just wanted to check that, like, how would you react. So give me the answer down below if you thought that I am telling you wrong. Okay, I was just doing for fun. So see, it's correct. So over here we have completed our video so quickly. Yay! Virtual high five. Very nice, guys. Thank you, guys. I hope you liked the video. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video, comment down below if you like it, and subscribe my channel if you have not done yet. Bye.